Hey guys, my name is Timon and welcome to the first video of building Legos. So this is 2016 December. We're gonna take a look at the Lego set 60032 on the Arctic snowmobile. So we're gonna build and then review. So I just need the book. Where it is? Oh, right here. So let's get started. So, okay. This is how it goes, just for me. Yeah, you can put the handles like right here. And then put the other handle, I don't know where it is. Oh, right there. Okay, now do the rest. Just like that. Put the orange face up, down. It started. Okay, so let's go. Put it right there. What to do next? Okay, now put this. That is like this. So good. Then put those one space from the forward. Put two of them on top. Are you okay, baby? Whatever. Whatever. Just don't care about that. So put this in the front, like right here, and whatever. So turn over back. Put those. I did it quick because it's almost low battery. So what's that? Oh, right there. So I totally lost some pieces from this. So whatever, I'll just make. So I'll make the character last. I just need to show you some stuff because, like, I did that. Put a long chain. Don't care. Okay, so I can't. There. Now put there. Okay, so the lights and for super front, there's no space there. Okay, so okay, get this space for the handle. Now put the handle there, and you made a snowmobile. Wait, one more. There. Then it goes like the walkie-talkie and the pickaxe. Okay, now let's do the other one.
Everyone, what is this?
So I lost some of the pieces, so I do it in a different way, like this. And I remember that. Well, yeah. Okay, so there's I lost a crystal, so I used this piece right there. Yeah. Now put it inside, covered it up, put it, and put it on the keyhole. Now let's do the character. And that was messy. Okay, now put the head on. Its hand is a little broken because it sticks, and then the HUD. Now you did it, see? Okay, now for the review view. Let's see. So there's headlights right in the front, ski like right those like that looks like flippers. Handlebar, person like driving it. Okay, so there is the pickaxe right there and the walkie-talkie. And look, there's a crystal with a mini sled that is holding on a smooth chain. So, yeah, it's like that. So thanks for watching, guys. You might see the next video. Bye-bye.